Upside down or sideways?
I can fix it.
I need the 48 for this. Blind firing. The tall hyper tube. All I seen was a gun stick around. Hazmat! Big hyper tube! You got one in there? I don't know where the rest are at. Behind the wall as far as I can tell.
Hey, I missed a lot.
Hey!
Really?
Yeah.
You still got plenty of paint?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're breaking in the barrel.
Yeah, look at this shit. I'm just here supervising now. Go! They've got it cleared. Come on, son, get up there. Get up there. Stay low, move up. Come on, get up there with Jennifer.
We back and back in a heartbeat. God, that tastes like shit.
Alex! There you go, get involved! Anything break?
No, you're good.
Any breaks?
No, you're good.
Thank you. Jen!
Come on, guys, forward! I need to cook them out!
Bump up, little man. Bump up one. There you go. Now we took them out. Just bump up, secure it. Oh, they're back.
One more.
No, they're just they're inserting. Because their insertion's just on the other side of that wall. Let's go, let's go, let's go. About half you go that way, go around that side.
They even get in?
Huh?
Get in?
We got them pushed out, so let's keep them out.
Keep them out, go around this side, you said?
We need reinforcements up here.
Are they past that wall at all or no?
No, but they're shooting from the other side, so we send them around this side.
I said, look at our guy right there's got she's got her side turned to him.
Yeah, so
That'd be fine.
let's get people that way.
This way? Where's Colonel going? Colonel Bam. Help!
Follow the colonel. I'm gonna take the boat across.
Bob. How you doing, bud?
I'm good. Oh, you got a camera?
Yeah. I was just...
There's nobody
Bob.
to shoot over there.
No, they're trying to insert.
But they have to come down that little trail.
Right, but they can also go out this way. Because they got the green zone over there. So if we get people over here to keep them pinned in there, we can own the village and everything else.
Grass, right?
That's exactly it. I'd go with you, but I'm like out of air, so D.A.M is hungry.
Hell, you see a red airplane?
A what?
A red airplane?
Haven't seen it yet.
Huh?
Haven't seen it yet.
Okay, there should be two of them out.
Okay, we've got
Rocket launcher.
everything down here.
Okay, we're gonna go this way then.
Plus we got a rocket launcher down here.
Okay.
What's up, Justin?
What's up, bud?
Go that way and help pin them back in their spot, man.
Just so you know, we did see them walk that way with two airplane poles.
Well, they haven't come through this way yet, but I'm out of air, so all I'm doing is kind of directing right now.
Perfect. Hey, it's better than nothing.
I forgot how hungry the D.A.M was, man. I put the small tank on it. I'm going for my M2. Special K, how you doing, sweetie? Yeah.
Aw,
There, arm and gun. Two on the gun.
that's old.
I'm
Before.
getting the M2.